Welcome to another vlog. Yeah, I meant to do a vlog at 11, but it's 11:16. I got a little bit late. Look. 11. And I'm late, as always with my vlogs. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny, shiny. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this shiny. Look at this shiny. It's so shiny. Yeah. So guys, in this vlog, what are we gonna be doing? Close me door. What are we gonna be doing? My next vlog, I want to go outside to my garden and do a vlog because I love doing vlogs for you. And yeah, finally, my next vlog is at 1. A proper YouTube setup, not my gaming setup, my YouTube setup. And yeah, and then my room tour, not my house tour. And my room tour will be tomorrow. No, will be on Tuesday. First half, 4 o'clock. Definitely doing a vlog about my room. Look what I found. What is this? This is a lamp. It's a thing from the lamp. I don't have a clue what the hell this thing is. Like, my setup is excellent, but I don't know to put this thing on it. That's from my old school, like, it says I'm special, and it says my name and Our Lady of Lords. That's my school I went to. So I'm just gonna put it there. And if you watch my YouTube setup, you'll know what that's doing there. So yeah, I made myself a mixy juice. There is blackcurrant, raspberry, and orange. It tastes delicious, but I think I put too much in there and it's too sweet, but it's beautiful. And yeah, about all the vlogs, if you didn't see my last 2 videos, I was talking about my PlayStation being broke, so I don't want to talk about that all the time, but yeah, I have a big problem. I have to get a new one or it'll get fixed by the end of this week. So I'm doing straight away a GTA video. So yeah, usually when I do this, I actually feel tired, but I don't feel tired. I just want to put it down because I actually feel like it's not being used stand for my vlogging. But yeah, this is my designs for my thing, but that will be in the YouTube setup. But this is a fan I just made being bored, and a little aeroplane. It's beautiful. But yeah, what can I talk about now? Like, it's a beautiful day, nothing to do. What I do, I can go outside, but I don't feel like going outside today because I'm tired and it's Sunday. So I know loads of people come out on a Sunday, but not me. Like, usually I would do millions of videos for you, but I don't know how. I can just do loads of vlogs. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna finish up here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.